We gonna roast in 3, 2, 1.
You look like a Mexican Build-A-Bear.
You look like you wake up and salute Jackie Tran.
You look like you kiss men on the neck to avoid confrontation.
He asked you for a smooch at the urinal.
And he gave it to me.
You look like Ash can't catch him.
Go on. You look like an accountant for the Cholos.
You look like the thought of Mongolian beef gives you PTSD.
Them was some big boys. You look like you tried to cross the border on a Lime scooter, but you ran out of digital dinero.
You look like you flirt by throwing Pokeballs at girls.
These balls.
You're mine.
You look like you put on a luchador mask during sex so she can't see you cry.
You look like you have a never-ending feud with Scorpion.
Mortal Kombat. I like it. You look like your finishing move is the Baja Blast.
You look like your signature move's a cough. He did it!
You look like you're banned from every quinceañera.
You look like you know what corgis taste like.
You look like your wrestling name is Captain Chorizo.
You look like you graduated from Rice.
That's a good thing, right? That's a good thing. Hell fucking yeah.
To noodles.
That's a compliment. I like that. You look like you share a pocket pussy with your roommates.
You look like you put soy sauce on your pocket pussy.
Hell yeah. Extra flavor. You look like you specialize in a pyramid scheme for lawnmowers.
You look like you moisturize with duck sauce.
Dude, you look like you got so stoned you delivered just the pizza box.
Your eyes are smaller than mine, but okay. You look like you fucked to Mulan.
Somebody's gotta. You look like before going down on a girl, you blow on her pussy to make sure it's not too spicy.
Give it up for him.
You look like you always gotta let girls know that you don't have Down syndrome.